Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Acura RDX paddle shifters. These convenient controls give you manual command over your vehicle's transmission, enhancing your driving experience. You'll find them right behind your steering wheel, with the right paddle for shifting up and the left paddle for shifting down. This feature offers a more dynamic and responsive feel, putting you in direct control of your gear changes. To shift to a higher gear, simply pull the right paddle towards you. This action will smoothly engage the next gear up, providing a seamless transition. You'll typically want to upshift when you are accelerating, or when your engine's revolutions per minute are approaching their upper limits. This helps maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency during your drive. When you need to shift to a lower gear, pull the left paddle towards you. This is particularly useful for engine braking when descending hills, or for gaining quick acceleration to pass another vehicle. Downshifting also helps you prepare for turns, ensuring you are in the optimal gear for exiting the corner. Your engine speed will naturally rise with each downshift. The RDX transmission will automatically revert to its standard drive mode after about 10 seconds of steady driving without further paddle input. Use these shifters to enhance your driving enjoyment, especially on winding roads or when you desire more control. Remember to always prioritize safety and keep your attention fully on the road ahead while making any gear changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.